Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on carrier remote controller. Quick start guide. Specifications. Handling the remote controller. Inserting and replacing batteries. Slide the back cover from the remote control downward, exposing the battery compartment. Insert the batteries, paying attention to match up the plus and minus ends of the batteries with the symbols inside the battery compartment. Slide the battery cover back into place. Buttons and functions. Before you begin using your new air conditioner, make sure to familiarize yourself with its remote control. The following is a brief introduction to the remote control itself. For instructions on how to operate your air conditioner, refer to the How to Use Basic Functions section of this manual. Remote screen indicators. Information is displayed when the remote controller is powered up. How to use basic functions. Before operation, please ensure the unit is plugged in and power is available. Auto mode. Select auto mode. Set your desired temperature. Turn on the air conditioner. Cool or heat mode. Select cooler heat mode. Set the temperature. Set the fan speed. Turn on the air conditioner. Dry mode. Select dry mode. Set your desired temperature. Turn on the air conditioner. Fan mode. Select fan mode. Set the fan speed. Turn on the air conditioner. Setting the timer. Timer on and off. Set the amount of time after which the unit will automatically turn on and off. Timer on setting. Timer off setting. Keep in mind that the time periods you set for both functions refer to hours after the current time. How to use advanced functions. Swing function. Press swing button. Airflow direction. LED display. Eco/gear function. Press this button to enter the energy efficient mode in a sequence of the following. Eco operation. Under cooling mode, press this button, and the remote controller will adjust the temperature automatically to 24°C/75°F, the fan speed of auto to save energy, only when the set temperature is less than 24°C/75°F. If the set temperature is above 24°C/75°F, press the Eco button, the fan speed will change to auto, and the set temperature will remain unchanged. Gear operation. Eco Intelligent Eye function. Press this button. Silence function. Keep pressing the fan button for more than 2 seconds to activate/disable the silence function. Some units. FP function. Press this button 2 times during 1 second under heat mode and set the temperature to 16°C/60°F or 20°C/68°F. Lock function. Press together turbo button and humidity button at the same time for more than 5 seconds to activate the lock function. All buttons will not respond except pressing these 2 buttons for 2 seconds again to disable locking. Turbo function. Press the turbo button. Intelligent eye function for models of RG10P series. Press this button. Set function. Breeze away function. Active clean function. Self clean function. Fresh function. Sleep function. Follow me function. AP function. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.